How to Lose 20 Pounds Without a Gym Membership. In an article by Alexa Millardo published on Eat This Not That, tips for losing weight without a gym membership are shared. Below are the details of each of these tips. 1. Consume a nutritious diet. Diet plays a crucial role in weight loss. Instead of overcomplicating your diet, you can make small changes by substituting high-calorie foods with lower-calorie alternatives. For example, replace regular bread with lower-calorie bread. Swap the ingredients in your sandwiches for healthier, lower-calorie options. These small changes gradually add up and help you lose weight over time. 2. Establish effective habits. To stay consistent with your workouts, find a dedicated space for your exercise routine. This could be a part of your home, a nearby park, or any place where you only focus on exercising. Creating this habit will make it easier to stay motivated, as you'll associate that space with activity rather than rest, which helps long-term consistency. 3. Work out 3 to 5 days a week. To lose weight effectively, aim to exercise 3 to 5 days a week. The more you exercise, the more calories you'll burn, leading to faster weight loss. However, it's essential to get enough rest between sessions to allow your muscles to recover and repair. Aim for 3 days a week initially, and gradually build up to 5 days a week over time. 4. Invest in affordable home workout equipment. While bodyweight exercises are effective, incorporating some affordable home workout equipment can add variety and make your workouts more efficient. Consider purchasing adjustable dumbbells, cardio equipment like a stationary bike or treadmill. These items help you adjust resistance based on your current strength level, making your workouts more effective. 5. Incorporate progression into your training sessions. As you become more fit, your ability to perform work increases. This means you should gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to burn more calories. Small, incremental changes in your training will add up over time and help you reach your weight loss goals. Losing weight without a gym membership is entirely possible by following the tips above. A proper diet, effective habits, regular exercise, and using simple home equipment can help you achieve your weight loss goals. These tips will enable you to lead a healthier and more active lifestyle, bringing you closer to your desired weight.